Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your email address in the Alibaba app. So let's get started. Open the Alibaba app on your smart device and verify that you are logged into your account. By opening the Alibaba app on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, look for your profile that says My Alibaba and then click on it. Then on the next page, in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click on. Clicking on the profile picture will open a drop-down menu where you will look for the email option and click on it. The application may ask you to confirm that it is your profile by sending a code to your email, which you will insert in the empty field and then click on Submit. But since we managed to finish it, now it remains to show you the rest of the video. Entering the code will open a new page where you can see the field where you will insert your new email and then click on the next option. After verifying the new email, it will be successfully linked to your Alibaba account and you will receive all future communications there. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly change your email address in the Alibaba app. It's super easy, and now your account will be updated. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.